Okay, we're going to do our PBA Finals preview plus, of course, the much-awaited predictions that are never right. Rain or Shine versus Sanmig Coffee, and it's complete, okay? Charles, Chusi, and Magu. Ano dito? Ano dito?
Ay, bumalik talaga ako para lang dito sa prediction.
Okay. Parang kumanda si Magu eh. Alright, sige. Initial thoughts, Rain or Shine versus Sanmig Coffee. Sige nga, parang kanina we're talking about it. Sino yung who's supposed to have the upper hand? Renan, for you.
Siyempre, Sanmig Coffee upper hand kasi gusto nila mag-Grand Slam, yung motivation nila mataas. But hindi naman papayag ang kampo ng Rain or Shine. Alam naman natin kung paano maglaro yung Rain or Shine. Kung pisikayan ng labanan, talagang hindi sila atras. Parang gagawin nila lahat ng ways para manalo sa laro.
Ikaw, Miyaka, do you believe na yung Rain or Shine will always be the parang kontrapelo team to Sanmig Coffee?
They are. Tsaka hindi lang sa Sanmig Coffee, kahit sa anong teams.
Okay.
Sa kahit anong team, sila talaga yung parang, for some reason, it's so hard to beat them. But, parang napaka-inconsistent ng Rain or Shine lately. Parang hindi sila kompleto, first of all. Pangalawa, hindi sila kasing nakakatakot and as physical as, I don't know, before. So,
What? Nag-mellow down na si Bo? Ganun?
kasi isa lang si Bo, wala na
mag-isa lang kasi si Bo.
Si Matias nandun pa kasi sa
Almasan,
Sanmig
mabait
na.
pa si Almasan eh. Hindi pa
Si
naninira.
Matias nasa Sanmig na.
Wala na, nasa kabila. Actually, nasa kabila.
Sanmig,
Sa kabila
nasa
siya.
Sanmig. So parang hindi na sila yung nakakatakot na Rain or Shine.
So nakakatakot
Although,
si Matias?
I would love to be...
Ang hilig nito eh, no? Mahilig ka eh, no?
Sabakin ko tayo.
Sige lang, okay lang. Sagot ka namin.
Mahilig mong dikdik yan si Rizal.
Hindi, yun lang. Parang, tsaka kagabi kasama ko si Joe, sabi niya, alam naman talaga rin niya nila na hindi sila yung underdog dito. And they're super gonna...
Meaning Joe is saying that Rain or Shine is not an underdog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean...
Hindi kasi naranasan na nila na talunin sila ng Rain eh. Kaya meron sila talagang built-in respect for that team. So
I don't know, but one thing I know, magiging physical tong
for sure.
matchup na to. It's gonna be exciting. I hope it goes till, game 5, but I doubt it.
wow, mamaya na. Ikaw, Chuzi.
Do we answer
Kami?
sabay? Ako muna. Ayaw ba? Okay.
Pero na. Parang joint account. Joint answer.
Ganun. Ako muna. Hindi, sige. Actually, well, they nag-run yung Ross, diba?
Yeah.
Nung end of the eliminations coming into the playoffs. And natalo lang sila nung Alaska. They lost twice. And I still think they're pretty scary. Fine, granted na they're not 100%. They're struggling with injuries. I think mahihirapan ang Sanmig, but I think they will end up with that Grand Slam.
That's nice. I haven't asked about your predictions, but advance payment. Ikaw, Charles.
I think for me, definitely Sanmig Coffee has the advantage. First, they have a big size advantage talaga. Rain or Shine, against Alaska pa lang, hirap na sila. They couldn't really stop them inside. And then, with Sanmig Coffee, they're a team that likes to go inside. They love to do their 3 big lineup, which Rain or Shine has really struggled with recently. Yun na nga, Matias used to be there. He's a 3 who can play both ends of the floor kasi he's pretty big, nakaka-defend naman siya, nakaka-shoot rin. So ngayon, the only 3s are Gabe and Jaire, who are really the bigger ones. If not, Joe's gonna have a field day again, and that's the lineup they've really struggled with talaga. And then, yun, si Kinyahan, malaking bagay rin. He's a banger that they need inside talaga. And, I think Sanmig Coffee, they're just really playing so well. And I think Rain or Shine will have a very hard time.
Very hard.
But remember,
time.
we've always said na itong Rain or Shine has, the deepest bench ever. But, looking at Sanmig right now, down to the last man,
Mas malalim
ang
din.
lalim
By far, because they have their starting 5. Baroka's not part of it. And so off the bench, you have Baroka, Malyari, Melton, Maliksi, Sanggalang, and sama pa si Rivis or kung sino man.
Yeah.
That's solid.
I can make a counter argument in terms when you define what lalim is. I still feel Rain or Shine mas malalim because ginagamit lahat. I mean, literally ginagamit lahat. As opposed to, let's say, Sanmig Coffee, there are players sa dulo na regrettably, in particular, Jerwin, na nag-sore eyes, hindi masyadong...
Nag-sore eyes?
Oo, nag-sore, para si Cyclops sa X-Men eh.
Kaya pala na Game 5 yung series na yun.
Kasi kung nandun sila ako.
si Jerwin. But, okay, sige, let's go to the predictions because it seems that our viewers can already tell na most of us are going to say Sammy Coffee will win this series. Pero I think Renren disagrees. Di ba? Hindi naman.
Oo, kasi syempre Sammy Coffee pa rin yan eh. Pero aabot ng
5.
Oo,
Pero
aabot
Sammy
ng
Coffee
5.
pa rin.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Miyaka?
Sige. Abot daw ng 5. Okay.
Parang labag sa ano
Kasi,
Rain or shine yan eh.
I know.
Rain or shine yan
Basta
eh.
ultimately, Sanmig with the Grand Slam for sure.
Sanmig with a Grand Slam. Just repeat what you said.
I feel bad.
Bakit sure kayo na Sanmig Coffee?
I feel kind of bad na I got, di ba, we did an episode na we tried to predict the Final Four. Tapos hindi ko pinasok yung Ross. Parang na-feel bad ako. Sila lang yung hindi ko pinasok na mali. So parang na-feel bad ako na minamaliit ko sila. So sana ngayon, ganun ulit. Na parang,
namamaliitin mo ulit sila.
Kami ganun.
Reverse, parang reverse
Oo,
psychology.
parang ginagawa niya sa amin.
Of course. Pero nailang na kayo
Collective
sa isa't isa.
pronoun.
Nailang na
sila.
Actually, man.
Sige nga, can you look at each other?
Hindi, wala na kami.
Ha?
Wala na kayo?
Nag-break sila recently.
Nag-break kayo nung weekend?
Hindi nyo ba nakita kasi hindi siya pumunta dun sa parang place kung nasan siya.
So, wala na kami.
Eh bakit may miss you kang gabi sa text?
Kasi nga wala na kami.
Friends na lang kayo ngayon. Kaya ba ganyan? Para layo.
Are you okay?
Huwag na, mumumula na naman yan.
Ikaw na!
Huwag yung mahina yan eh.
Ano po?
Fragile yun, fragile. Oh, ikaw.
I'm listening.
I think Sanmig Coffee. Although it's interesting kasi the only team to actually beat Blakely and win their first championship was Rain or Shine. Medyo iba nga lang yung import nila and they're a pretty different team right now. But they did that without Paulie also. With that being said, parang wala akong kapatid sa Rain or Shine. Hindi ko kaibigan sila. Sanmig Coffee, I still think Sanmig Coffee will win in a relatively short series.
Short?
Wow!
May hindi naman talaga. Kahit 5 games, short series.
Oh, 5 games short.
No, that's...
5 ako.
No,
Oh, 5.
I'm being like Maguba, you know.
Okay, before I give my prediction, Miyaka here, of course, is a very capable stylist. Can you like evaluate Charles's hairstyle and haircut today?
What's wrong with it? I like
Pero
it.
si Jing Monis yun, oh.
What's wrong with my hair?
Di ba si Jing ang gumupin niyan? Oh, so I can't say anything kasi si Jing makes my hair.
Hindi na ako
Do you like it?
Hindi na ako
No, but...
You don't Why don't you like it? Bakit ayaw mo?
Ang pag-good boy kasi ng effect, hindi naman.
Change
So sorry.
Change na i-change.
Matawa na tayo sa basketball. Ikaw, ano prediction mo?
Ako? Wow. Sanmig Coffee?
Yes.
Sanmig Coffee. Sanmig Coffee. Sanmig Coffee. I'm shocked. I'm shocked na parang majority na so overwhelming na Sanmig Coffee considering that, you know, parang Rain or Shine is just parang...
I just feel they want to make history. They're about to do something really special.
Umiiwas lang tayo sa pagpapahiya ni Coach Tim po niya yun eh.
Kasi lagi tayo mali eh. Lagi tayo. Tuloy parang ang feeling ko ngayon parang I feel sort of compelled to pick Rain or Shine just because parang wow talaga overwhelming.
Pero ikaw, ano talaga yung before?
Ano ba talaga?
Thoughts?
Hinebra talaga. Hindi, actually Sanmig Coffee. I'm just a little surprised na I was kind of thinking na parang medyo liba tayo 3-2, diba, ganyan, or 2-2 and then tiebreaker ako, but then wow, this is actually very surprising
like
for me.
even sa Alaska series, they were having a hard time.
Actually, bakit muntik pa sila matalo kung tutusin yung game 5?
Pero itong Sanmig, parang ginanon lang yung talking text eh, wala.
Okay, so sige, medyo pag nanalo Rain or Shine sa game 1, medyo kakaba-kaba na tayo. But yes, we're all picking Sanmig Coffee to win the series and probably get their Grand Slam.